Today let us do our first experiment, that is preparation of aspirin. And the glassware which we required for the experiment are a large beaker of capacity 250 and a 100 ml beaker and a measuring jar and a watch glass and a glass cup. Along with the glassware, we need a copper water bath and a tripod stand and the burner. And next, the chemicals required for the preparation of aspirin are salicylic acid, or acetic anhydride, and concentration H2SO4, and a wash water for dilution process in the. And now let us see the step 1, that is we need to weigh about 2 grams of salicylic acid should be mixed with 5 ml of acetic anhydride and then 2 to 3 drops of concentrated H2SO4 into the small beaker. Okay, so for this procedure, the first step we need to weigh 2 grams of salicylic acid. So let us weigh 2 grams of salicylic acid. So this is our digital weighing machine. So here, so we need to switch on this one, and the back side will be having another switch to on and off, the black color one. Put it undisturbed for a while, and now see the reading, you got 0.00, then the machine is ready for weighing. Now keep the watch glass. You need to take the weight of the watch glass, or else you can use the butter paper tool. So there is no need of the weight of the watch glass. So let us tear it. So there is a button called tear. So when you tear it, it becomes 0. And you should use a spatula for this, and this is called spatula. Everybody know, I hope. And let us weigh 2 grams. Carefully on the watch glass. It's exactly 2. So it is getting 1.99 due to the air fluctuation. Okay. Then it's 2. Now take this one and replace the lid of the salicylic acid after your usage. Let us go to our place. Take this aspirin, that is not aspirin, that is salicylic acid, the preparation compound of aspirin. Now slowly by using the spatula, transfer this substance, salicylic acid, into this 100 ml beaker. One place to put aside. And to this you need to add 5 ml of acetic anhydride with this measuring jar. So always keep a burette or a measuring jar in an inclined position so that, let us take another small beaker, so the transfer of the chemical will be easy. As it is a transparent solution, need to see the law of meniscus. So it is exactly 5 ml. Now pour this 5 ml and replace the cap or the lid after your completion. And now pour this 5 ml in the salicylic acid powder. And take the glass rod and you need to add 2 to 3 drops of concentrated H2SO4. Okay, 1 to 3 drops or at least 5 also, it's okay. Now stir it with this glass rod. No lumps should be there. So stir it. As you added concentrated H2SO4, it gets dissolved easily. And now you need to put this on the water bath. It should be heated for 10 to 15 minutes on the water bath. Okay, so this is the water bath with lots of rings. Depending upon the amount of steam you need, the usage of the rings will be. If you need, or the size of the beaker. If it is a big beaker to put on this, it won't be sufficient, right? So put this ring and put it like this, so it will be easier. So depending upon the size and the quantity of steam you need, this is the arrangement. So I am just going to put the small beaker like this. So before going to that, we need to fill with this with water. Tap water is enough for this. 3/4 of the water bath should be filled with water like this. You can see the 3/4 amount of water in this, and put the rings. Keep it on the tripod stand. Okay, so you need to heat this water bath. Let us lighten the burner. The next step is heating the beaker, 100 ml beaker we have stirred and kept aside. So let us lighten this burner. So there will be a sink provided, a dustbin provided under the sink. So here, so this is the Bunsen burner. See, there is an adjustment at the bottom, this ring. So it is where it can use it for high flame and low flame. So always the flame should be in blue in color. It's in the low flame now. Now keep this tripod stand carefully under the burner. The water is already heat, so we need to heat for 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes is enough. Let us stir this. So with the combination of the mixture of 2 grams of salicylic acid and 5 ml of acetic anhydride with 2 to 3 drops of concentrated H2SO4. Now keep this on the water bath. Already the water got heated, so that's the reason I kept on this. So let us heat for 10 to 15 minutes. That means the solid substance should convert into liquid, totally into the transparent liquid. So on heating it converts into transparent liquid. So let us wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent lumps. And the powder stick to the walls of the beaker should be cleaned up like this by using glass rod, so that no compound will lose. Slowly. You can observe the conversion of this white curdy type of solution into the clear solution. Stir occasionally. You can see the water has boiled. On the steam it should in the meanwhile, after this, we need to filter this compound by the addition of distilled water, 100 ml of distilled water. So in the meanwhile, I would like to show you the types of filter paper. So this is the Wattman filter paper we use in the laboratory, and this is also the another filter paper like this filter paper. Okay, so today we are using this Wattman. So how to use this filter paper? So fold to the half of it like this, and take another fold, 2 folds in a cone shape, and take out one layer like this, and now put this in the funnel. This is the way of filtration process. Okay.